All right, we're going to change bits now. We need to actually go to tool 1. So we're going to have to reset our Z height, which will be fine. That shouldn't be a big deal. But I want to set up this circular array of drill holes. So again, we're going to come back to what do we have in terms of X and Y. So our X center, again, is 21 millimeters over, and our Y center is 44 millimeters up. Now, with that, I want a diameter of 57 millimeters. That'll be the outside edge. I'm going to select that I want 12 holes, and I'm going to start my angle at 0. Now, for me, this doesn't make sense. To me, I always think of 0 on top. But for whatever reason, the CNC machine thinks that 0 is over here. So if I go ahead and put 0 here, knowing that with my number of 12, I'll have a center point up here, basically at that 90 degrees. If I wanted to adjust my angles and I wanted a little twisted or a little bit different in terms of my centering at the top, 0, 90, 180, and 270, I can rotate that however I want. But I'm going to have to think from this position here, this is 0, and what do I want to do, negative or positive? So let's go ahead to PathPilot and let's set up our circular drill pattern so that we've got that ready to go. So here we are for our exit ticket, and this is our circular array. Again, I'm going to come back to a couple of things here. I have G54, still the same 0, 0 coordinate we've been working with. We will go to tool 1 though, because it's a narrow diameter in terms of trying to create these little pockets. It has a feed rate of 700, but it's really about the depth in terms of Z feed rate. So 150, that'll be pretty safe. We have 12 holes that we're going to work with. We're going to have a starting angle of 0. So as again I said, for whatever 0 starts here, not up here. A diameter of 57 mils, and we still have our X and Y center at 121 and 44 millimeters up. We're not necessarily going to worry about our spot drilling because we're not doing that. This is just wood. We've got a peck depth of 1 millimeter at a time going down. We're going to start at -2 because that's where our top part is. And then we are going to go down to -7.